Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw very simple pixel art picture. I will draw for you unicorn. And I will show you autumn unicorn. Because I paint this unicorn in the autumn colors. I take black felt pen, red, orange, yellow, light green, sky blue. And you can go to the link here. You can see how I draw this unicorn on my main YouTube channel, Pixellenger. And now go drawing. Firstly, I take black felt pen and at the bottom center of the picture I should color 6 boxes horizontally. Now go to the left and paint 2 boxes. Now 2 boxes up. Now 6 boxes up. From this box go up to 3 boxes and turn into the left and color in 2 boxes. Now 5 boxes up. Turn into the right and color in 3 boxes up. From this box go to the left and color in 5 boxes up. And 2 boxes to the right horizontally. Now 1 box here and 2 boxes here. From this box go diagonally to the right down and color in 4 boxes to the right. Now from this box go to the right diagonally and color in 2 boxes to the right horizontally. 2 boxes up. Go diagonally and color in 7 boxes up. From this box go to the right and color in 5 boxes up. From this box go to the right and again color in 5 boxes up. From this box turn into the left and paint in 2 boxes. Now 1 box diagonally to the left and down, and here 2 boxes. Now from this box go diagonally to the left and color in 4 boxes to the left. From this box go up to 1 box and color in 4 boxes horizontally here. From this box skip 1 box up and paint in 4 boxes horizontally. And 2 boxes at the center here. From this box go up and color in 4 boxes to the left. And now 3 boxes here. From this box go up and color in 4 boxes to the right. And 3 boxes here. From this box go up, color in 1 box. Now go diagonally to the right, color in 3 boxes up. 1 box to the right. And from this box 3 boxes up. Now from this box go diagonally to the right, color in 1 box. 3 boxes to the right here, 3 boxes to the right here horizontally, 2 boxes here horizontally, 1 box, go diagonally 1 box again, and here 2 boxes. Now from this box skip 1 box to the right and color in 3 boxes horizontally. From this box go down and color in 4 boxes square. From this box skip 4 boxes to the right and color in 3 boxes to the right horizontally. And from this box go down and color in 4 boxes square. Now I take red felt pen and I start coloring this unicorn. I will show you what part I will color by red. You can color as you wish, so this part I will color by red. Now I take orange felt pen and I color 2 boxes here near one eye and 2 boxes here and small part here. Now I take yellow felt pen and color this part. Now I take green felt pen and color this bow. And now I take blue felt pen and color this horn. And 2 boxes I should color. From this box skip 3 boxes to the right and color 1 box here. And skip 2 more boxes and color 1 box here. So very nice colorful picture I have. I take yellow felt pen and now I use my personal style Pixellenger method. I should draw a second contour like this. It's my personal idea. So just color boxes near this contour of black. So you see it's more beautiful. Now continue. That's all, I finished my drawing. As you see, it's very simple, but very colorful and very nice. Please give me your likes and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.